I'm with Mr. Sachin Vora, Managing Director from Kranti Group. Sir, would you please tell me more about your company, what it does?
We are from Kranti Industries, located in Pune. We are into manufacturing of automotive components for transmission, commercial vehicles, as well as tractors, EVs, and this. And we are a 40 years old company.
So, on your floor, what kind of GROB machines you have?
We have GA 350 model
Okay.
machine, which we bought in 2017, 18, something. Yes, machines are absolutely good. The machine was from Dalian plant, so hopefully for getting one new machine from.
So, you imported that particular machine
Yeah, we
from
imported
there.
that machine from China. Dalian.
So, we are here at the inauguration of the GROB setup, who are not only going to assemble the machine but also going to manufacture a few accessories
Yes.
which would be exported. How do you think that it is going to play a role in your setup?
Yeah, it will be very important because the problem what we used to face was the delivery. We being a tier 2 supplier, we don't have that much leverage time that 1 year down the line or 2 year deliveries, which were initially the conditions with GOB with 12 months. Now we expect a faster delivery, maybe a faster turnaround time, less than 3-4 quarter or something like that. And this may help us to plan our infrastructure, plan our resources more betterly.
GROB is one of the finest manufacturers of machines, particularly for the EV segment.
Yeah.
How do you take that?
Yeah, EV segment is there, it's growing. We are also into the EV segment since 2016. We are working with that. We are closely working for new components and new products for EV segment. So maybe a GROB will be very much helpful for us. And now being in India, it will be much more easy to access, easy for deliveries, as well as some pricing technical issues can be sorted out more easily.
So, how many machines you have it in your floor?
Total, we have around 80 machines.
Okay. And how many GROB machines probably you are looking at procuring?
In next quarter, we have a plan in the next 3 years down the line to add one more. We recently started one more factory, and we are in a plan to add one more plant maybe in 3 years down the line. So maybe another 20-25 machines are required. I don't know how much GROB it will be.
Okay.
Let's hope for the
Okay.